Now this is the video in which everything finally starts to sound like the riff from John Lennon's Imagine. So far I've been getting you to play pairs of notes, but they probably haven't made the sound of the track appear in your head so far. But when we add the left hand, suddenly it's all going to come together and start making musical sense. So first of all, let's recap what we have so far. In the last video, I was getting you to play each pair just once to practice that movement, so hopefully you got that quite fast. Now let's go back to repeating the first one 3 times and then playing the last one 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, change, 1, 2, 3. So just make sure you're playing that right before moving on to the next step. And now we're going to add the left hand. And the left hand, you'll be pleased to hear, is much simpler than the right hand. And the left hand, you're just going to be playing one note with your thumb. And that note is the white note just to the left of the group of 2 black notes. So when you started with your right hand thumb was playing the white note just to the right of this group of 2 black notes. And your left hand is now going to be playing the white note just to the left of that group of 2 black notes. So just below those 2. And what's going to happen is you're going to play that note with your left hand after every single pair of notes in the right hand. So we have, 7 pairs of notes in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And after each one of those pairs of notes, you're going to hit this note with your left hand thumb. So starting with the right hand, you have right, now you can probably hear the riff. It's quite a lot slower than the recording, but hopefully it'll start sounding familiar now. So a couple of things. Make sure you're starting with your right hand and then going to your left. So it isn't left, right, like this. It's right, left, left. So your right hand is starting. Don't start with the wrong hand. And the other thing, this sounds better. It also makes it easier to play. When you play this note and then you play that note with your left hand thumb, let go of this pair of notes in the right hand. So you're not going. That's kind of harder to play. You're going to let go of each pair when you play this note with your left hand thumb. So basically either your right hand is playing or your left hand is playing. So get your hands in position. You're going to have this kind of symmetrical layout where your 2 thumbs are either side of this group of 2 black notes, and you're going to start with your right hand. So you play the first pair 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now go to the second pair, and then third pair 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And after every pair of notes, you hit this note with your left hand thumb.